How to unlock selection in Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. If you're not able to unlock selection, click on File located on top left and then click on Info. In Info, you'll find Protect Document. Make sure it's not marked as final, as if you turn on mark as final, you won't be able to unlock selection. Also, make sure editing is not restricted. After those two options are turned off, you'll be able to unlock selection in Word. This is how to unlock selection in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time. Thank you for watching.